Do you want to stay here? You want to stay here? And my mommy and my daddy.
Doesn't even look 13 at all. So I'm thinking I might start the daily vlog again. No promises, but let's see how it goes. It was fun. I didn't mind doing it. It's such a beautiful day today in Brooklyn. Holy shit. Not a cloud in the sky. I got this giant box of Game Boys. This is actually box 2 of a 2-box shipment. We're doing a pretty big order for Vapor 95. That should be coming together soon. They opened a store in LA, so we're giving them Vapor Boys, basically. Summer's been excellent to me. You really can't keep New York City down. I don't know what these people are saying with all these essays and articles. New York City is dead forever, something or other, I don't know. Maybe if you're like super rich person, you know, to write an article about how New York City is dead forever and then talk about how Broadway is closed and like there's no offices open in Midtown, so that means there's no job opportunities. I mean, it's crazy. Huh? Did it come out good? I believe it did, yeah.
There you go.
Bricks on bricks.
Thinking about a thing where it got.
And Randy, and they're asexual, which means they don't have a desire to look at any